Good morning, class. Now we'll be discussing the location of the return centers. We'll be discussing how we choose the location of the return center and what is the role of the data analytics in choosing or locating the return center. So let's understand the importance of the return center location. Why it is important to choose an optimal or the best return center location, because it can help reduce the transportation cost. Why? Because if the return center, if it is located near to the customer or near to the transportation hub, then it can help in reduction of the transportation cost associated with collecting the return item from all the various locations, right? The next point is it can improve the processing efficiency also, because the centralized return center, if the return center is centralized, then it allows for streamlined processing of the all the returned items, reducing the handling times, minimizing the error, and improving the overall operational efficiency. Also, it can enhance the customer satisfaction as it can be done conveniently near to the customer, and thus they can faster and it lead to easier returns, leading to higher satisfaction level, and thus the customer may repeat, right? So these are the advantage why we want to locate the return center at an optimal location. Okay, so what are the factors we need to consider while locating while taking the decisions of the location for the return centers? So the first factor we have to consider is it should be at the proximity to the customer, so that the return center, it should be strategically located near the major population centers and where the customer density is high, right? In order to minimize the transit time also, and also improve the service level. Next point, what is to be considered is the transportation infrastructure. It should be taken care that there should be well developed transportation infra available. The highways, railways, airports, all should be available for the inbound and outbound logistics operations. Okay. Also, we have discussed, if you remember, in the normal logistic, we have discussed that the labor availability should be there. We should locate our plant at such a location that the labor should be available and at a competitive price. Similarly, for the reverse logistic as well, we want the labor to be available near to the warehouse and all these things, and okay, technicians and all should be available. Okay, the fourth point that needs to be taken care even in the reverse logistic is all the regulatory compliances should be met, and all the regulations related to the environment, related to the zoning restrictions, the waste disposal regulations, labor laws should be met. Otherwise, then the whole purpose will be destroyed, and it will ultimately lead to the bad reputation of the company. Okay, so that's it for this video. We have discussed the role of data analytics in the deciding the location of the return centers. If you have any doubt here, you can just write in the comment box, and if you want all other videos to be like if you want to be notified, then you can just uh, click on the bell icon. You'll be getting the videos as I'll be uploading, right? Okay, so thank you so much. Bye bye.